Hi everyone, I'm Meredith Abbott, Culinary Director for Sur La Table, and welcome to On the Table. Today I'm making lemon curd. Whether you're serving this with shortbread cookies, scones, or layering it in cakes, this is an elegant treat. What I love most about this specific recipe is that it comes together all in one saucepan. So first, I'm going to zest one lemon right into the saucepan. A microplane is going to be your best friend when it comes to zesting your lemon because it pulls just that outer bright yellow skin off the lemon, which is where all of that beautiful, fragrant lemon flavor is. So it's going to really enhance the lemon flavor for your lemon curd. So all of that goes into your saucepan. Great. Now I need 3 ounces of fresh lemon juice. Looks like it's going to be about 2 lemons for me. I am at 3 ounces. That goes into my saucepan along with my egg yolks and sugar. Give this a whisk. And now I'm going to turn on my heat to medium-low. I'm going to cook this very gently because I want this to be smooth like a custard and I don't want to make scrambled eggs. So I'm going to whisk constantly, making sure I get into the very corners of my saucepan. So make sure you choose a whisk that the tip of it will go into the corners of your saucepan. We're going to cook this until it comes to a bubble. This will be about 170, 175 degrees. Make sure you're always whisking. The texture has changed to light and airy and the color has lightened. So now I'm gonna turn the heat off. I'm gonna grab a spatula or a spoon and I'm going to check to see if it will hold an edge. And what I mean by that is put some on a spoon and take my finger, and if it holds a line like that, it's nice and thickened. So now I'm ready to strain. I have a large bowl with a fine mesh strainer set over it. Pour my cooked lemon mixture through. This fine mesh strainer is going to catch any seeds from the lemon that might have made it through. It's going to also collect any of that cooked lemon zest. And if any of my yolks got cooked or curdled, it will catch those as well. So push this through. Great. And now I'm going to make this really rich by whisking in some cool butter. I have some cubes. This is going to add a nice rich texture. So just whisk it in. Oh, the aromas that are coming out of this bowl. It smells so good. I like to put lemon curd in decorative jars and give it to friends and family for the holiday season. Okay, just whisk until your butter is fully melted and incorporated. Okay, I transferred the lemon curd to a clean bowl so that when I put my plastic wrap on top, it's not so messy. Because lemon curd, like puddings, will develop a skin when they chill. So you want to put your plastic wrap on so it touches the surface of the lemon curd when you put it into the refrigerator, like so. And now it's ready to chill. I happen to love lemon curd with shortbread. So I'm going to scoop some in a bowl with a shortbread cookie. Such a vibrant lemony kick and rich all at the same time. This is so good. I hope you try it. Enjoy. How pampered do I feel right now?
Yeah.